it really takes a lot of nerve to step up there and take a penalty. So for sure there'll be no blame from me or my teammates. I respect them even more for stepping up in that situation and taking a penalty. They didn't have to. They could have said no. They could have said they didn't want to take it. Yeah, look, I'm proud of the team that I can be that I'm a part of, and I'm proud of every Irish person that supported us today as well.
It's something I was saying to Nathan Collins, the connection that you and this group of players has made once again with the Irish public has been inspiring.
Yeah, look, we felt it. We felt it all week. We knew how much this meant to everyone. Look, I'm just really good that we couldn't do it for everyone that has supported us. All of the Irish that are back home that's been supporting us. Thank you. Stick with us. It's times like this where I'm so happy where I come from.